In this CapCut tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can clone. So it's very easy. So let's just grab your video trying that you want to clone, and I have this guy here. I want to clone him. So press on the keyboard Control C and then Control V. You can also here press on copy and then right click here and paste. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna select this video. And now I'm gonna click on cutout and auto cutout. So make sure you are in video cutout and audio cutout. And now go to the second video and click auto cutout and the third video and auto cutout. Perfect. Now I'll go to the first video and move it. This one you can move as well here. You can also resize and so we have this effect. Now we cloned. Very easy. So I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more videos. And if you have any suggestions for the next tutorial, let me know in the comments section. Thank you for watching and take care.